So there's a little video on how to take apart the Blu-ray, Samsung Blu-ray C59. Sorry, BD-C5900/XXA, C5900. We had a little incident where our toddler put his Elmo CD in, and hey, leave it alone. And it got stuck somewhere back here. We couldn't either close or fully open this little DVD tray. So if you look on the back, there's actually 3 little screws you can take off, and that allows you to, with some finagling, you can actually unclip. There's like some clips here on the front. If you unclip on the bottom, these little ones right here, and then you kind of wiggle it, it'll release, and then this whole cover can come off. Once the cover's off, then you have to remove these 4 screws. There's one, I'll show you. 1, 2, the one in my hand, 3, and 4. Then this little piece comes out. The next thing you gotta do is take a screwdriver or something like that. And there's these little push clips. If you push like that, and there's 4 of them, but if you release all 4, the lid comes off, and voila! There you have it. There's the little DVD. So this tray was trying to close, and it was getting stuck on it like that. So if you just remove it now the tray should close, and you can reassemble it. All right, and good luck. I hope this thing works.